Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this baby gate we got a while ago for our baby. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the gate, including the one important thing that everyone should know before buying. So this is a punch-free retractable baby gate, and it's designed to adjust to a width of up to 55 inches. It can be used indoors or outdoors, and it's suitable for babies 6 to 24 months old and pets that are 10 to 40 pounds. And one thing I really like about this gate, unlike other gates, this can be installed in 3 minutes without any tools or drilling to protect your walls. That was a big issue for us. We didn't want to damage our walls or the staircase, and that's why we chose this one. Another thing that made us buy this gate is the fact that it can be installed at an angle. As you can see, our staircase doesn't match our wall, so we couldn't just install a regular baby gate, so we got this one and we absolutely love it. As you can see right here, it's kind of like in an angle and it works great for us. So if you choose to buy the punch-free gate, they give you these very strong adhesives. As you can see right here, very thick. So yeah, like I said, you don't have to drill into anything or damage anything. And these are so strong. Yeah, they hold the gate pretty well in place. It's very easy to open and close the gate using just one hand, which can be very convenient when you are holding a baby. It's also very easy to lock and unlock the gate using one hand, which is a pretty cool feature. Now let's talk about the one important thing you should know before you buy it. So you have to remember to lock the gate, okay? Because if you leave the gate unlocked, once you close it, your baby will be able to pull this and maybe go underneath it, or your pet go underneath it, but most likely a baby will do this, so they can move the gate around. So once you close it, make sure you lock and the gate won't go anywhere.